Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to build a powerful gaming PC without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you how to build a solid $500 gaming PC that can handle all your favorite games. Before we jump into the parts list, let's quickly break down our budget. We're aiming for a $500 build, so we'll be looking for the best price-to-performance ratio. That means finding components that deliver solid performance for gaming while sticking to our budget. Let's start with the heart of the build, the CPU. We're going with the AMD Ryzen 5 5500. It's a quad-core processor that offers great performance for both gaming and multitasking. Plus, it's affordable and gets the job done for most modern games. Next, the GPU. For the graphics card, we're going with the RX 5700. While it's not the latest and greatest, it provides great 1080p gaming performance and it's perfect for this price range. You'll be able to play most games at medium settings with smooth frame rates. Now, for RAM we're going with 8GB of DDR4 RAM. It's the minimum you'll need for gaming in 2024, and you can always upgrade to 16GB later if your budget allows. Storage is key, so we're opting for a 1TB SSD. This gives you fast boot times and enough space for a few games and essential software. SSDs have come down in price, making them an essential upgrade from traditional hard drives. To power all these parts, we're using a 650 watts power supply. Make sure it's from a reputable brand, like EVGA or Corsair, so you know it's reliable. And finally, the PC case. We're going with something simple but functional, like the Sama Niview 4361 White. It's affordable, has good airflow, and plenty of space for your components. Don't forget, you'll also need a budget-friendly motherboard. Look for a MSI B450 Tomahawk Max 2 chipset. It's cost-effective and gives you plenty of connectivity options. Now, it's time to put everything together. Start by installing the CPU into the motherboard. Line up the notches and gently place it into the socket. Next, install the RAM and the memory slots, making sure they click into place. After that, install the SSD into the case and connect the power supply cables. Then, slide the motherboard into the case and screw it into place. Finally, insert the graphics card into the PCIe slot and connect all the cables. And congrats, you now have a $500 gaming PC ready to rock. Now, let's talk performance. This budget build can handle most games at 1080p on medium settings. Here you can see how it performs in games like Fortnite, Apex Legends, and GTA 5. You'll get smooth gameplay without compromising too much on graphics quality. So there you have it, the $500 gaming PC build for 2024. Whether you're getting into PC gaming for the first time or just need an affordable upgrade, this setup will give you great performance without burning a hole in your wallet. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Happy building, and I'll see you in the next video.